Welcome back to the Beauty Lab, aka my bathroom, where I do the experimentation and trial of products to find the best ones and share them with you. So today I'm going to do a real quick makeup look. Honest to goodness, I just want to kind of look bright, fresh, get out the door. So before I do my hair, I like to have it all pulled back, that way I can kind of see everything. And a big trick to when you are doing makeup at any time is that you want to make sure that you're checking your angles. I know it sounds kind of like we're face forward and you do your makeup, but what I want you to do is make sure that you look around. Like turn your face around towards the light and whatnot. This allows you to see what may need a little extra coverage, or maybe you've put a little bit too much on and can tame it back a little bit. But my rule in makeup is start with a little bit. You can always add more. So today, let's make it nice and easy. I think I can probably do this in about under a minute. So I'm gonna start with, this is the Ole Henriksen. This is the Banana Bright Face Primer. I just like it because it has a little bit of that yellow tint to it, so it calms down some of the redness. I like to keep my skin glowy, so I work hard with my skincare to make sure it stays that way. I'm a little bit of a drier skin type, so anything that is mattifying, oil absorbing is not for me. And you'll find that even though a lot of people tend to use matte formulas, note that if you have texture concerns on your skin, that matte is probably not your friend, because matte will show those up even more. So I'm gonna dip into, this is my Mercier Flawless Lumière Radiance-Perfecting Foundation. I like this one because it does keep the glow. All I wanna do is go after, that's just one pump. All I wanna do is go after toning down some of the redness through here. I really don't want to cover up my skin. It's summer skin, and I like the tan that I have. So we're going to go in. I like to use a larger, fluffier brush because it just kind of creates a lot, you know, like a light, soft veil. I'm not going after total coverage here. Just evening out, if you will. But you can choose the foundation that you want. I am not using concealer this round, but what I will tell you is if you do like to use concealer and foundation, go in with foundation first, yep, even under the eyes, and you'll find that there's good coverage most times that you need to use less concealer. So try that out. Okay, we're buffed, that's it. Next, I'm going to go in and kind of reshape the face, and by reshape it, I just want to bring out a certain area. So I'm going to go in, this is my Vuco matte bronzer. It's a cream formula, and I'm just going to use my foundation brush. Just note, next time you use your foundation, you're going to have to clean this because it has bronzer in it. So I'm just going to warm up the skin a little bit. Just kind of puts the shape back in. And again, it's creamy on top of a liquid foundation, so it blends and melds into the skin is what I'm going for. Not overdone, not into the contouring idea. And to be honest, when you're using a bronzer, it's not for contour. Bronzer is to warm up the skin the way the sun would actually kiss your skin. So go in those areas that are higher points. So I tend to do the cheeks first, a little bit on the forehead, and then whatever's left on the brush, kind of bring it together. You're not really adding color, you're just blending it. Okay, there we go, that's the cheeks. Let's get into the eyes. I'm going to use, this is the Rowan Summer Disco. I posted it yesterday on my timeline. Gorgeous shiny product, and I'm going to show you how to use it, and we're going to use our fingers. So when you get this product, it's quite a unique product. You can use your fingers with it. Let's get it on. So we're going to almost break the seal, if you will. That's how creator Nikki DeRoost says to use it. So don't be afraid to touch it with your fingers. You do the same thing with the brush. Now we picked up some color, and we're just going to go in with our fingers. Now, ladies who are over 40 and are looking and saying, oh my goodness, I can't wear glitter. Please note, this is not glitter. It's pearl and reflex through it, so it's more of softer, light illuminating formula. And anybody over 40 who's paranoid about anything with shimmer, please go for it. It's absolutely amazing. The Summer Disco has a little bit pigment to it, so it's that kind of sun-kissed look. I think it's like being able to wear magical sunbeams every day. So that's it with my finger. Let's go on to the other side. Get that on. Don't worry about being perfect. Just get it on, because it's then you can use a brush to blend the edges. And this is her everything brush, so I'm going to use the fluffy end. There's a tapered end that you can use for under the eye or the inner corner. Just going to bring it up. Now if you want, You can actually go under the eye with it. Use the brush. Don't be afraid to press onto it. Underneath you go. I'm going to skip mascara today. I kind of like sort of a almost naked eye, if that makes sense. There we go. Now for lips, this is Vuco in Sun-Kissed, which is perfect. I want a little bit of a brighter lip, but I'm not a red girl. So this is a great first time red or a beautiful red for the summertime. A beautiful creamy formula from Vuco, which is a local Ottawa brand. Reapply to get the intensity, and honestly, that's it. That's what I'm doing today. Enjoy your day and find a way to have fun with your makeup and play with it, and too much or too little, there's no such thing. Just enjoy it, have fun, take a little moment for yourself.